Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can block ads on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone and then I'm going to show you some methods you can try to block ads on your Android mobile phone. The first one, I'm going to show you how we can block ads that usually appear in application. If you want to do that, you can go to your settings and then you're going to open up the connection setting. In this connection setting, go to the more connection settings and then you can choose private DNS. Okay, then select the private DNS provider host name. Okay, and you can add this private DNS provider. You can add dns.adguard.com and select save to save the setting. And after you set the private DNS provider, the ads in your Android mobile phone will be blocked automatically. But for your information, that not all apps can be blocked, but most of them will be blocked, guys. So I think you will still see some ads in the applications, but most of them will be blocked. Okay, and the second one, I'm going to show you how we can block ads on the browser, especially on Google Chrome. So I'm going to go to my Google Chrome and then we're going to go to the Google Chrome setting. We can click on these three dots on the top right and then select settings. And in the settings, you need to go to the side settings. Where is it? Okay, this one, site settings, and scroll down until you find the pop-ups and redirects. Okay, make sure you select blocked. Okay, you need to block sites from showing pop-ups and redirects. And then the second one, you can go to the intrusive ads. Make sure you block the intrusive ads as well. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can block ads in the other browser. Okay, I'm going to find the Samsung Internet. Okay, this one, guys. And if we want to block ads in this application, we need to activate ad blocker. Okay, ad blocker here, and this is just for Samsung Galaxy phone only. So if you have another Android phone, you can try to activate the ad blocker. And for example, I'm going to select this ad blocker. We need to install ad blocker so the ads will be blocked automatically from our browser. Okay guys, and that's all the way to block ads on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.